So this is how to fit a Freedor on the pull side, hinge right. So inside the box there are 4 separate templates. The one we want to look at for this one is template number 3. You can see hinge right, pull side, and that's the one we're going to use. So if you open it out, you'll see the top section. This is the template part. If you like, you can just remove that section. And then we're going to fold along this line where it says door frame. You don't have to do this, but it just helps to show where it is when it's on the door. And then we're going to hold it up. So fairly obvious, edge of the door, so you're looking at kind of the hinge, midway of the hinge point, and top of the door where that folded line is. Just line that up, must be level, and then what you have is your pilot drill holes. So there's 6 for the Freedor unit, and then it lines up 2 that go on the actual frame above for the arm.